Hey guys, welcome to the Parrott Bros. I'm Dom.
I'm Rob.
And today we are at Kad Fibreglass, Kad Fibreglass. And we are here to pick up, not fiberglass, we're here to pick up some carbon, aren't we, Rob?
We are indeed.
What are we getting?
We're getting a couple of bucket seats.
Yep.
And some wide arches for the rear of the kit car.
Yes, we are indeed. Now, if I'm not wrong, they are probably arch. We're going to have a little sneaky.
Yeah, let's have a little look.
What we got?
Oh, feel the weight of that.
How much is that? Oh, so that's, just to give you an idea, one finger.
That is not a lot.
That is literally just...
And they are extra wide for those big wheels we're going to be fitting.
Oh yeah, which we don't have yet.
We don't have yet.
We don't have any yet.
We better get on the phone to someone.
Right, should we go in and see what it's all about? Let's
Come
go.
on in. So guys, today we're here at Kad Fibreglass Products and we've got Carl who's going to tell us a little bit about his company, how long he's been running and the sort of products that he does. So, how long have you been around?
Well, we've been self-employed doing this for about 12 years now.
It's quite a long time.
Yeah, do anything to be honest.
So seats.
That can be done in fiberglass.
Body panels.
Body panels, seats for kit cars, day cars, carbon fibre ones.
Fiberglass ones. And then you do all different
colours.
Colour gel coats.
Any colours.
That's pretty good. And is that like, are you limited to a colour chart or is it like a RAL chart where you
No,
can
if somebody comes with a RAL number, I can virtually get it matched.
Oh wow. So
as long as it's not a metallic.
So we could have had our pre-made in a gel coat rather than having to get it sprayed.
Yeah.
That would have been that would have been an easier option, but that is good to know. So if someone was crazy and had a red car and wanted blue seats, they could quite happily get them made.
Yeah, yeah. I've done like your carbon rear arches you've got. I've done them with, instead of the black around the edge, Kawasaki green.
Oh wow.
Around the edge.
That's quite cool to know.
That's good to know, yeah.
With the carbon through the middle.
So what have we got laid out over here? Can you show us around, Rob?
Well, we've got just high-sided seats here, seat moulds, 410s, 400s. We've also got other ones, other sizes, 390s.
Oh wow.
365.
So if you're a
really
really
narrow
small person, then
and these ones here, these are just how can I put it?
Just
a cheap version.
Okay.
These are the standard basic cheap version.
But they're still good
But
value for money there, yeah.
That's it. They're what they are. A lot of people, they come out with imperfections. A lot of people, there's nothing. It's not serious imperfections.
No.
A few scratches, but a lot of people are happy to take them.
but it's a lot cheaper than a competitor. But
We've sold quite a
What sort of money are they,
quite
as I found?
£169 a pair.
Wow.
Wow.
That is crazy cheap.
And they weigh what? 5-6 kilos done?
They weigh about 6 kilos a pair.
A pair.
Mental.
That is light.
Yeah.
So if you're trying to save some weight, a seat
They're
could be...
They're a bit of a rough and ready seat.
Yeah, of course.
It's what it is.
It
People
depends
that's doing track days buy them just, you know.
throw them in and
Yeah.
that's a bit...
What's the nicest car you know that the seat has gone into?
Steam engine. That's quality.
About Lotus. The Lotus Exige and a Lotus Elise, some have gone in.
Some tasty cars, isn't it?
So, but then the others have been like MX-5s, Golfs, BMWs.
Oh wow, so quite a lot of range of different cars that they go in.
Yeah.
Cool.
What's some of the stuff we're looking at here?
So that's a rear arch, I take it?
That's a rear arch for
back.
Rear panel.
That's a Caterham rear arch. They're Caterham rear arches.
And then you've got some extra wide panels, I take it?
They're
They're
universal.
Universal rear arches, that's good.
And then we have here, what's this, Rob?
Oh, that is one of our carbon fibre seats by the looks of things. Oh wow. Look at the weight of that. Can literally lift it up with your A finger.
What's the weight?
What's the weight of this? About 4 kilos, something like that?
4 kilos, yeah.
Oh wow. That's nothing, is it? For what it is,
Just only to sit in one.
I'll have to sit in one. Where's the one we prepared earlier? So, here's one of our carbon seats and that's the other one. Should we have a little test sit? Oh yeah, that's nice and snug. So, taking it with me.
This is a good fit.
Yeah, definitely.
The amount of times you get in and out of that, that'll fit you. You have to make that one yours.
Yeah. It's lovely though, isn't it? Look at that, nice and light, and yeah, it looks lovely. That's going to go nice, like a right treat in our car. How much is a pair of these then? What's that going to set us back?
You're looking for a pair of them about 490 quid.
Wow, that's very cheap, isn't it?
That's
in carbon.
Yeah, that's in carbon. Like on the
Like as
front
you
and
see,
back.
like this. Okay, so
You've got carbon on the back.
so it's carbon both front and back. And if they were to get them in a set of just no carbon, just fiberglass,
Just standard black ones are at the minute they're 270 a pair.
270.
270 a pair.
Wow, that's really cheap.
If you go
Similar weight?
yeah,
So if,
any width they're all 270.
so if you're on a budget as well,
Are they similar weight to the carbon?
They may turn out a little bit lighter, just because you've got carbon fiberglass and then carbon on them.
yeah,
So, but the fiberglass ones is just 2 layers of carbon, so you'll be short of a layer, if you know what I mean.
yeah.
And then if you go for a different colour, different colours are an extra 30 quid. a
That's
pair.
nothing, is it?
So 300 quid a
300
pair.
quid. So if you're looking at on a budget, you could get a set for sort of 270. That's really reasonable. And then if you wanted to spend a little bit more, you get some carbon, another couple hundred quid, but that'll make all the difference to an interior, I think. That's lovely. Have you got anything that you could show us a little process on, or
Well-
how we make something, or take something apart, or?
Well, we've got this 410 wide seat here. I'm about to go and release that.
Oh wow.
Ready to send out to a customer.
Yeah, that'd be amazing. Let's see how it's done.
Bit noisy, but
Get the music rolling. Get that cheese out.
You spin it around so it's stood up just so it looks like
As easy as that.
what's the process?
And what would you do next on that seat?
well, this will get all the sharp edges, everything trimmed off,
Nice.
and then we'll get all these marks, wet and dried down, buffed up,
Yep.
polished up, and then edge trim, all edge trimmed up and everything, and
And it's
about
good to
ready
go.
out.
Wow. So it's not actually too much technically once you're
Not
at that
re-
stage.
No, you're looking at maybe hour and a half.
No. That's mad, isn't it? From that straight away into a seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's one of these ones, yeah?
Yeah, that's one of the, yeah.
Do you cut the holes out, or is that?
Yeah, holes are all cut, they're all marked in, so they just all get cut out. You can't see them very well, but
Yeah, I can see.
as long as I can see them.
As long as you can see them, you can trim them out. Nah, it's wicked.
So yeah,
Thanks for showing us.
Yeah, appreciate that.
obviously the tape and that gets taken off the back.
Yep. That's awesome.
How's mounted? Can you show us the...
They'll get taken out and rethreaded, and all the tape off. And
What's inside that? Is it just drilled and tapped, is it? Or
there's a M8
actual bolt
bonded
sleeve in
yeah,
there?
on a
sort of
wa- yeah.
thing? Okay,
M8
cool.
nut on a washer, bonded, welded on washers.
Oh, wow.
And that's flat, so you can mount it to anything.
Yeah, and that's flat, so you just put runners on it.
Yeah.
Get some runners, 400 wide.
Also, they're also available. I can do them in side-mounted versions as well.
Okay.
So not just for kit cars.
Yeah, so not just for kit cars, you put them in like you said earlier, the MX-5s and
Yeah.
stuff with a side mount. That's quite cool.
A lot cheaper than buckets.
Yeah, that is a lot cheaper than a normal conventional bucket seat like a Carbon Fibre Rear.
And you save about 10 kilos.
And you save about 10 kilos. Bonus.
This one's actually going to Stoney Kit Car Show, so on show.
So that's only in a couple of weeks' time, isn't it?
Next weekend.
Oh wow! And we'll be there.
This one, and hopefully that Kawasaki green.
Okay, nice. Yeah, that's quite cool, isn't
Has
it?
it gone?
No, it's under the bench.
Oh, the Kawasaki green one that's under the bench, it's going.
Oh, cool.
No, I'm not. The guy who I make these for, he's having a few of my bits on his stand.
Oh, nice.
So
that's Stoney Kit Car Show in a couple of weeks, but this video will probably be live after. So we'll await that video.
yeah. No, it's all right. No, you don't want.
So yeah, that's wicked. Let's get the bits in the car and get it all wrapped up.
Right, let's go and get him in the car, Rob.
Yep. Nice and light.
Mate, I can't get over how light them seats are.
Ooh, carbon fibre.
They're wicked, aren't they?
They're proper nice, aren't they? Look at these.
Get out the sun.
Look in the sun.
Oh, imagine having them in the old Picasso.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They're quality. I can't get over how light they are.
Nah, mate.
Go on, give us another lift. They're going to look so good in the kit.
Yeah, they are.
Look at that carbon fibre in the sun. Ooh. Oh.
We'll have to get some nice seat pads made for these, won't we?
Yeah, we'll have to try and find someone.
We could even get the Parrott Bros logo on the headrest.
That would be pretty
That'd
sweet.
be pretty cool, wouldn't it?
Right, let's get them in the car along with these arches. Why you got 4 rear arches, Rob?
For Mike Spencer Racing.
It's not Mike Spencer Racing, it's Mike Spencer Motorsport. So this is the thing, when you know people who are building kit cars, they're like, oh, why are you there? Could you just pick us up some arches?
Could you get some extra wide carbon arches?
Yeah, of course we can, Mike. Don't worry about that. We've just got to try and...
Motorsport.
Motorsport, Mike Spencer Motorsport. He's the guy from the karting video. If you watch that video, top bloke. And we'll actually be trying to go and see his kit in the next few weeks, hopefully.
What we got left? Bucket seats.
Just the seat, mate. You're going to sit on that in the front?
Yeah. Do you reckon we could bolt it down, make it safe?
To be fair, the Picasso does have flat-loaded... What's the legitimacy of
Oh wait,
of putting bucket
really
seats?
light.
What's the legitimacy of putting bucket seats in a Picasso?
Racing Picasso?
£169 ones?
Okay, let's go. I reckon you could do that.
Yeah, if you put the thin end my way. Oh, yeah, if you lift that sheet, you can put it over the top.
What do you mean?
That, where you've laid it on this, lift that, and then put that down and then put it over. No. Do you want me to come in there and do it? There we go, he's got it. He's got it, look.
Look at that.
It just stops it going anywhere, doesn't it?
Oh, okay.
You see what I mean? The weight of it should just stop it.
Got to keep the Diet
And the old
Coke
Diet
out as
Cokes
well.
out there, yeah.
There we go, load it up. One more seat to go in, but we'll get that in a minute.
Right, so, oh, see if I can do this with the old new snazzy
Hey,
camera.
we're doing the old
Oh, yeah. Bit of vlogging.
proper vlogging.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. We enjoy, obviously, carbon fibre because
Everyone loves carbon fibre.
it's carbon fibre, isn't it? Who doesn't like carbon fibre? But yeah, if you want to check them out, we'll put all their details down in the description. That's Kad Fibreglass, K-A-D, based in Lincoln.
Yeah, Lincoln Digby.
Middle of nowhere.
They're on Facebook.
Go check them out. But yeah, all their details down in the description. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.